We just got.
What are you doing today?
I just started. I'm gonna be shooting my boss.
What?
No. I'm not gonna listen. Anyone want to say out to the vlog? Want to say out to the vlog? He said no. We're lonely 2018. Put in the comments below if it's rude to steal your friend's phone. Just say it's rude or it's not rude. Just please put it in the comments below.
Are you gonna go to my house first?
Yeah.
Are you gonna go?
I'm just gonna do this secretly so he doesn't know I'm really gonna shoot him. See when I get to my house. And it is windy today. Alright, so we just got home from school. Shadow Kai, I think he's still in the house. He's still going to get something. Wow, it's so cool. Oh, he shot me! He shot me in the back! War! I'm gonna shoot you with text messages! Bang, bang! You'll never get me! He shot me in the face. Silent Cat, I'm stealing your vlog camera! Pink words are on.
Hands up. Sir? Put your hands up. Sir, drop the phone. It won't be hard.
Alright, just let me set this footage up. Oh, good. It's not cracked. It cracked? Not even. Good! He shot me.
I told you not to. I told you to drop the phone. Please did. Sorry, shoot you.
Everyone, this is Lakai's boss right now. So this is Lakai's boss right now. Oh, I'm talking to two vlogs at once. That's so legitimately weird. But I don't know what Lakai's doing. But right now, so I think he went inside to go get his homework or something. But so right now I'm just gonna kick the vlog in, and then we're gonna go, and I think we're gonna go to Christian and Cuba's house.
You film it!
Yeah, I think we're gonna go to Christian and Cuba's house. Let me just set the tripod up. So yeah, so I think we're gonna go to Christian and Cuba's house after Lakai gets back from doing this. I think he's going to get like change or something, and then he'll be back outside for his vlog that I'm vlogging right now. It's legitimately weird. Let's pick this vlog camera. So I'm vlogging with two phones. This is weird. I don't know how to act. I don't know, guys. So right now, So we're just waiting. All right, so we're waiting for Shadow Kai, and right now he's in the house going to get something to go change. That's cool, but so right now I'm just vlogging with 2 cameras. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do, guys. I don't know what to do.
Oh my god!
What? I dare you! No! Don't shoot me! No! Ow! Ow! He shot me in the face! This kid needs to stop! Oh, there you have it. I just shot my boss in the face. Well, kind of in the face. Actually, I missed. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm coughing a lot. Kind of sick. I just came back from school. I almost shot him in the face. Like, right here, like this close, and yeah.